Hi students, I am Nisha James. I am taking biology. Today we are starting 12th standard biology. So in this lecture, first I am going to tell you what are the various materials you need for your practicals. First thing about the stationery items. In stationery items, you have to purchase one dissection box. In 11th standard also you are using the dissection box. If you are having that dissection box, you can use it. If you don't have, sometimes some of the items were missing, okay, then you have to purchase it. And in that dissection box, normally there will be one slide and one cover slip. So you have to purchase additional one box of slide and also one box of cover slip, because we have lots of dissection experiment. So in that dissection experiment, okay, if you are having a box of slide and cover slip, that will be useful for you. And another thing, you have to wear apron during practicals, because in practicals we are dealing with different types of chemicals. So if these chemicals are fall into your body, that will harm you. So it is better to wear apron in practicals. Okay, and also you have to purchase one brush. For example, when we are doing dissection, you know that the specimens may be very light. So if you touch that specimen with forceps, it will damage the cell wall. So it is better to use a brush. Okay, this is a sample brush. Okay, so this type of brush, okay, you have to purchase. This you will get from the stationery store, so that with the help of this you can take the specimen from the particular slide, yeah, from the watch glass. Okay, and another one, the most important thing is you have to purchase the board journal and also board manual. Okay, so which board? Gujarat board journal and also Gujarat board manual. I will give you what about the appearance of Gujarat board journal and Gujarat board manual. Now look at this. This is your Gujarat board. Okay, you can find that this is biology practical record book journal standard 12. So this book you have to purchase. In this journal you have to do all your writing work. That means when you do practicals, you will get reading, you will get a result. All this readings and result you have to write in this particular journal. After each practical, whatever the result you are getting, that you have to write here. Okay, and what about the internal part of this? You can find that in this journal. Okay, so there are total 25 practicals you are having. Okay, there are total 25 practicals you are having. Okay, one by one we will perform. Okay, and what about the internal appearance? You can find that this is a printed journal, but at the same time the some space is given here, so that you can write your recordings in this particular space. So in this way, in all the practical, so this is the practical number 1. Okay, now I will show you the practical number 2. So in this way, okay, in this practical number 2 you can find a table is there. In this table you have to write the recordings. Okay, so whatever the practical we are performing, whatever the result you are getting, that you have to write in this particular journal with pencil first. Okay, and later I will tell you when to change that. Okay, normally when you submit this in board examination, you have to submit it with pen. So first you have to write the recordings in pencil. Okay, now for writing this journal you should have some guidance. The guidance I will give you, but at the same time you have to purchase this laboratory manual. So this is the appearance of laboratory manual. Okay, you can find that laboratory manual biology. So what is this laboratory manual? This laboratory manual will give you the idea regarding how to perform each practical. Okay, this will give you an idea regarding how to perform each practical. For example, look at the first practical. In the first practical, a data has given. That data is very helpful for performing the first practical. This is not only for the first practical, in each practical. Okay, so look at this exercise number 4. That also the method is given in this way. Okay, for each practical, how to perform the practical, that data has given in this manual. That also compulsorily you have to purchase. Okay, now one each day, okay, one day we will perform one practical. Okay, so when we are doing one practical, okay, what you have to do is, okay, you have to keep one notebook with you. For example, if you are observing the lecture or if you are watching the video, okay, what you have to do is you have to keep a notebook with you. And in that notebook, first you have to write down what is the name of the practical that we are going to perform. Okay, so that will be the heading. Second one, you have to write what are the various materials required for the practical. Normally this is the method that we are followed, we have done in 11th standard. So what are the materials required? Okay, and then what is the aim of the practical? Okay, so first what is the name of the practical, then the materials required, then the aim of the practical, okay, and also the method, how to perform the practical. Okay, so you have to write the method in a short form. You can do short form, yeah, you can do in a flowchart method. For example, in computer normally to show a program we are using flowchart. That method also you can use. The main purpose of writing this is when you are going to perform that practical, ये आपने जो शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखा है या फ्लो चार्ट में लिखा है, that will give you a rough idea to know about each steps. Okay, now after completing each practical, you have to write the recordings that I already told you, that you have to write the recording with pencil. Okay, and then you have to write the conclusion statement also. I will tell you this will be the conclusion, because from practical to practical there will be difference in concluding statement. Okay, now there are total 25 practicals. Okay, there are total 25 practicals. I told you that. Okay, 25 practicals are there in 12th standard. But all these 25 practicals are not for performance part. In this, some of the practicals are for performance and some of the practicals are for the sporters. You know that in 11th standard also we have done the practical. In 11th standard also, you have given the practical examination, you know that there is a performance part and there is a sporter part. Okay, so performance part means that you have to perform. You have to perform the experiment, you have to find out the result, then you have to calculate the value, and then you have to give the finalizing conclusion. But in sporter part, that is merely theory part. That means you have to identify the specimen, then you have to write the name of the particular specimen and also its short features. Okay, so in 12th standard also these two parts are there, that is the performance part and also the sporter part. So first we will give priority to the performance part. Performance part first we will do. Okay, one by one practical we will do in detail. Okay, so when you are attending practical, so please listen it carefully so that, okay, I can show the demonstration, but you have to perform this, you have to get the result, then only you will get the marks. Okay, so that's why I told you that, okay, when I am doing practicals, please write a short note of the particular practical. Okay, so that you will get an idea about how to perform the practicals. And compulsorily you have to complete each practical. Okay, the recordings of each practical you have to complete day by day. Okay, because some of the students are not doing in the first, they are keeping it this for last, but that will be a burden for you. You have to complete each value, okay, or each recordings after each practical. Okay, once the school reopens, I will tell you to submit the value. At that time you have to complete the recordings. Okay, so that about the things you have to take care during practicals. Okay, and then so I told you that what are the things you have to take care. So first I told you that first you need the stationery items. Okay, then I told you that in stationery, first I told you have to purchase a dissection box. Within the dissection box there should be one box of cover slip and also the glass slide. Then I told you per apron and also the laboratory manual and also laboratory journal. Manual will give you guidance regarding what to write and how to do the practical. And in journal, you have to do all the recordings. Okay, so and also I told you to purchase this type of brush so that you can take that dissection, the water dissected specimen in an easy way without any damage. Okay, so that about for the introductory video. Okay, so I told you that there are total 25 practicals. In this 25 practicals, some of them are for performing part and some of them are for spotter part. Both of them we have to cover, but we will do performance part, then we will go to the spotter part. Okay, and then I told you that you have to keep a notebook with you. In that notebook you have to write the heading of each practical, and then I told you that what about the aim, okay, and then the materials required, the principle, the method, and also conclusion. Once again I'm telling what are the things. First one, the name of the practical, aim of the practical, what is the meaning of aim of the practical, why we are doing that practical. The third one, what are the materials required. For each practical there will be need of different types of materials. Okay, and also what about the method. And then final there will be concluding statement. Okay, and in some of the practicals you have to make tables. In that tables you have to do the recording. Sometimes some of the practical you have to perform 3-4 times. Okay, so in each time whatever the recording you are getting, that also you have to write in your particular journal. I told you that when you are writing journal, first you have to use the pencil. First you have to use the pencil. With the pencil you have to do all the recordings, and later I will tell you to change it with pen. And write the journal in a neat way. Okay, write the journal in a neat way because you have to submit this journal in board examination. And if you skip, and you have to compulsorily you have to complete all the practicals in your journal book. If you skip one of the practical, then that is going to affect your board practical examination, because the board examiner will go through each journal and they will check whether the practical book is complete or incomplete. The way you are writing the practical book, okay, based on that you will get the marks. You have to write the journal in a neat way. You have to do the diagrams in a neat way. If you do this in a neat way, then you will get all the full marks. But some of the students, what they are doing, okay, they are skipping the practical. When you are doing skipping, what is happening? Okay, that will reduce your marks. Not only that, the teacher will be having a doubt regarding you. The teacher may be thinking, okay, that means the particular student, they don't know the practical. So once you perform the practical, okay, you will not get the marks, because if you know the practical, naturally you will write that in the journal. आपको वो आता नहीं है इसलिए आपने वो लिखा नहीं है. So when you do the same practical in your practical examination, you are not going to get the marks. The teacher will think that you have copied this practical from other students. So it is very important to maintain and the journal in a neat way, and it is very important to complete the journal. Okay, every day, okay, after each practical, it is your duty to complete the recordings. Recordings I will give you, okay. The initial recording I will give you, later you have to perform. Okay, so whatever the recording you are getting, that you have to write in your journal. Okay, so and so that about the introductory ideas. So all the best for practicals every day. Okay, only one practical we will perform. Okay, attend the video, attend the lecture in a serious way. It is your 12th standard. In 12th standard, both theory part and practical part is important. If you pass in the practical part, then only you will pass in theory. अगर आपने थियरी में पास हुआ बट प्रैक्टिकल में फेल हुआ, then there is no use of that. So both theory and practical is very important in 12th standard, because in 12th standard 11th standard का जैसा नहीं है. In 11th standard exam was conducted in the school, but in 12th standard the exam will be conducted by the board. From the board the examiners will come, they will judge you. Okay, so do the practical in a serious way and purchase all the stationery and also the board manual and board journal. Okay, and you have to cover the board journal and board manual either by transparent sheet or by brown paper. Okay, दो option है, you can use transparent binding or otherwise you can cover it with brown paper. Okay, so all the best for your practicals. Okay, thank you.